Come on board Legacy with me at Fairline Squadron 50 and come and check out this huge living area. So we've got the big galley space here where we can cook up a storm, coffee machine, microwave, fridge. Perfect sitting area here with fold out tables so we can get everyone around the table for a meal. Pop up to the helm with me and you can check out the view as we cross the Solent on the way to your favourite restaurant. And don't forget, we've also got the huge flybridge upstairs as well as the outside area underneath the cockpit. And if you're interested in an overnighter, downstairs here we have 3 spacious cabins that can sleep up to 6 people.